Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I've got a list of tech tips for you. They're on the podcast show notes. There's a Google document I call the show notes. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, I've got the list there. And as I always say, I've got them so you can get them. It's going to cover cloud computing, automation, social media, investing in cybersecurity, which is, I think, should put on the list, and use a customer relationship management system, and then optimize your website for mobile. U.S. Route 6 Tourist Association, we're in the process of doing that evolution. It just evolving from being a static HTML pages to being a Bootstrap 4 layout, which is mobile ready. And according to Google, that's the way things are going to go. And it goes on to talk about using analytics, putting in a project management tool. I've started using Monday as a tool for the U.S. Route 6 Tourist Association. We keep track of our tasks with Monday. Take a look at the tech trends that if you got an environment that you can offer online shopping, then offer online shopping if it's applicable for the business, for the content that you're presenting.
Hi, this is Guy Cook, and the ways to get in contact with me, well, you can contact me through the GuyRCookReport.com or https://GuyRCook.com. There's a contact form there. Or you can call my new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking. Hi. The reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like. It's a wrap.